Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Gear 5th Luffy in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add A then earth with water, it will become plant. Then wind with plant, it will become dandelion. Then take it to the other side, then add plant in craft. Then plant with plant, it will become a tree. Then tree with tree, it will become a forest. Then forest with forest, it will become jungle. Then at jungle with this, it will become a monkey. After that, wind with monkey, it will become Monkey King. Then take Monkey King to side, add water to the other side in craft. Then mix water with water, it will become lake. Then take lake together side, then first add water in craft. Then fire. No, it's wrong. Remove water and fire both. After that, add earth in craft. Then fire with earth, it will become lava. Then fire with lava, it will become volcano. After that, add lake with volcano, it will become island. Then add water with island, it will become ship. Then add lake with ship, it will be complete. Then mix Monkey King with pirate, it will become Monkey the Luffy. Take it to the side. Then first add wind in the craft. Then wind with wind, it will become tornado. Then mix both of them, it will become Gear 4. Then add Gear 4 with Gear 4, it will become Gear 5. Then add Monkey the Luffy with Gear 5, it will become Gear 5 Monkey. Then again added with Gear 5 Monkey, it will become Monkey D Gear 5 Luffy. Then add water in craft to the other side, then fire with water, it will become steam. To the side, then earth to the other side in craft. Then earth with earth, it will become mountain. Then add island to the other side. And island with island, it will become a continent. Mix continent with mountain, it will become Asia. After that, add island with Asia, it will become Japan. Then mix Japan with steam, it will become enemy. Then at pirates with enemy, it will become One Piece. Then take One Piece to the other side, then add lake in craft. Then lake with lake, it will become ocean. Then at island with ocean, it will become Atlantis. Then mix one piece with Atlantis, it will become Luffy. And then mix both of elements in craft, and it will become fifth gear Luffy. Now you can see fifth gear Luffy has been created in Infinite Craft. That's all the way to make gear 5th Luffy. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.